Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Righty, number 12 this week, guys. It's took a bit of a drop this week. In at number 12, it's down 8 this week with Red Winter. No more. I'm going to see these guys next Thursday, I believe, in the Jacaranda. Also, Interrobang will be on the bill, and Last Reserves, I believe, are headlining. I'm also judging tomorrow night for the Hunger Games in the Zanzibar, and Last Reserves are part of that, so I'm yet to meet Last Reserves, actually. I'm yet to play their music on this show either, so it'll be nice to finally meet up with them and see what they're all about. Right, this week's number 12, guys, down 8. No more. Red Winter.
How long did it take me
fancy a weekend in Scotland? Historic, graceful lands, and a warm welcome? Well, do not go to Scotland, because all you will find is drunken wankers, rain and minus 25-degree winters. I have lived here the best part of 30 years, and every morning when I wake, I think about suicide. Magaluf, Spain, France, Ireland. Actually, fuck Ireland. But why on earth would you come here when you could go there? You stupid British bastards. Fuck off and let us perish in peace.
Righty, it is now 12 minutes to 9. We are very closely going to be going into the top 10, guys. And before we do, we're going to give you this week's number 11. It is up one this week. It's Andrew Hesfield with Reflection. Hesford, sorry, not Hesfield. Fuck's sake, Doug. Have a word with yourself, lad. Have a word. Very good musician, Andrew, you know. He's very underrated on the Liverpool scene. This man knows how to play the game, you know what I mean? He keeps himself very busy, and he's also very active on social media. So he presses all the right buttons. He knows exactly what he's doing, this man. This is Andrew Hesford, this week's number 11, Reflection, tunage.
I always know just what to say, but then my thoughts get in the way. There's no one who can make me happy today but you. Sticks and stones have hurt me so. The pain would never let me go. Deep in my soul I really know how much you have healed me. You always make me fall apart. It's the way you touch my heart. I look at that old photograph. It always makes me want to laugh. The morning is so fine to me, despite the grey sky that I see. Your beauty and personality bring sunshine my way. Lately it don't seem the same. Circumstances are to blame. It's all part of a crazy game. No one knows the rules. You always make me fall apart. It's the way you touch my heart. You always make me want to sing. Such is the feeling that you bring. Time slowly fades away right now, but I realize that I'm blessed somehow. Memories are all I have that will bring me some peace. And that time is getting near. Forget all troubles and all cares. But I looked in the mirror and I saw myself in tears. You It's always me that falls apart. It's the way you touch my heart.
Righty, number 10 this week, guys. It is up 10. It's made a bit of a jump this week. It is the Boston Shakers with The Best Things in Life Are Free. I went to see these last Thursday and they absolutely blown me away. I thought to myself, because I've heard the music and it's very funky and it's very upbeat and that, and I thought to myself, going to be interesting to see how they're going to get away with this in a live situation in the likes of Zanzibar. And you know what? They totally stood up, mate. They totally stood up. And very entertaining, from man everywhere in your face. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. This week's number 10, guys, it's up 10 this week. The Boston Shakers, The Best Things in Life Are Free.
Sunshine from SoCal, French girls all day, those chicks are so wild. My own beach in Spain with big speakers playing, kickback, smoke beaties, sweeties and bikinis, best things in life I want freebies. 2 shots of Jaeger or maybe 3 shot Patron, 1 for me, 1 for my dog and 1 for that bitch who never sleeps alone. I want them limes inside of my spice rum, get your hands off of my whiskey, we gon' wild out to this beat. Ain't nobody getting no sleep, I can't have it free, I want that 20 back cheaper. You seen what it costs in Spain, plus they out to grow their reefer. They smoking it dope to the brain. I get on my change, I get on my cash tax free. But that's me. Sometimes we spend it on sneakers, most times we spend it on speakers. That's right. Who's down from Martian to this Boston shaking shit? Who's got my drinks cause it's costing, but we ain't paid for shit. They got your mind, soul and body, but they never got it from me. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. I want the best things in life for free. We don't pay to go out, we go out to get paid. Out with a bang, it's the Boston Shakers. So get out the mark of makers. The bar's gon' break, it's a haven for ravers. It's all about changing the papers. It's all about chasing the status. It's all just the same entertainment. We want it now when it's free, so just shake it up. With money, this life will be funny, but I ain't got nada, can't